So I did a video recently which stated Spice was on the attack after buying a Jaguar Jeep, but many persons were accusing her of not paying her dancers very well, saying them barefoot and all of them, three of them live in a one bedroom apartment and them here never do good and a bag of something, you understand? However, we're seeing where the dancers now has responded to those rumors. It says Spice dancers responds to rumors that they are not being paid. So I mean, it's only fair that me give for them side of the story too. You see me I say? So me explore what I'm have to say when me circle, me soon forward. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment, please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Dancehall artist Spice's Team Spice dancers are shutting down rumors circulating that they are not being paid. The rumors started on Tuesday after outspoken dancehall selector Foota Hype revealed that the Queen of Stage bought a brand new 2018 Jaguar F-Pace SUV, while congratulating the Needle Eye DJ on dropping $50,000 to $63,000 for the new whip following her successful Indicator tour in Europe. Several users on social media have blasted her, saying she should pay her dancers before splurging so much cash. Since then, several Team Spice members have stepped forward saying they are being paid and Spice goes above and beyond for them. Me work with more than enough artists when I pay me and work me like slave, one member wrote on Instagram. Me work with artists where girl in a group a dictate who fi fly and me no response when me chat. But you see you Spice, me have to throw in my honor. See, you coming like a military base, you're strong, you're F, and me respect you. I don't know what people are trying to prove, but let me just clear the air when it comes on to money. Team Spice is okay. You pray with more like you're a kids fam, and Jano, I am thankful. Rebel, you can do here, little girl? Me, yes. Her reply was just okay. When me look, a receipt was sent to me and my fee was paid, she added. Rebel, you want a dance studio? Seek it, and I look about it. When my father sick, you me sick. When my mother sick, you were there. It's not about what you can give, but me idolize your grace. And remember, me always say, I will repay you no matter how long it takes. You make me fly. You acknowledge my talent, cause them PUSSY and never notice me, and you look past it all. But the strongest soldier get the hardest fight, mama. You're a queen. Sit high and look at them bitches. Team Spice, all when nothing now go on, your heart clean. Push through. Anyways, birthday girl soon.
Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach. Beat and teach. Beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, as I stated in the previous video, I am not in a position to speak to whether or not Spice is paying her dancers well. You understand? However, based on what persons have been saying, it is not the first time I would have heard such statements. Then many persons are accusing former dancers of making those claims and pushing the rumors. You see me, I say some people are saying bad mind Spice through she up her thing and buy the Jaguar, and I think she really deserve her Jaguar because Spice work hard. Spice are the hardest working female DJ in the business. You see me, I say so she earn her thing. And in that video, I also say if Spice really and truly remunerate the girls based on the level of work with them do, she need to up her thing. You see me I say, because we try to be fair in our assessment and analysis of each situation when we come across. You see me I say, so if that was the case, Spice would need to up her thing, because I say Spice need to take care of the people around her, we take care of her. You see me I say. But if those things were just rumors, you know, people stay. The dancers, however, have now come out and spoken and addressed the situation. You see me, I say, I know the naysayers and the detractors, them are going to say, yo, a Spice tell them to say what them say and them something. You see me, I say, but if the girls spoke of their own volition. If they spoke the honest truth, then manners and respect to the dancers them, and then them are sure said things don't really as rough as what people are suggest. You understand me I say? But you know a thing goes still. When you're a celebrity, people always find something to say, something negative. So you will have some people that say positive stuff, you gotta have some people that say negative stuff. Some people that try uplift you and encourage you to elevate yourself. Some people that try break you down and push you back down where you come from, and even farther than where you come from. You see me I say? So Mama Spice, you don't know say you're a queen in business right now. But know you work hard, but know you put in your work and just go and take care of the people around you. You understand? Because you know one hand washes the other, and every good term deserve another. You see me I say? And the more you give, the more you receive in a life. You see it? So if you think set away for true, tap up your thing, tap up your dance at them. If people just chat off them out and nothing goes and them not really know how go and just go and do what you do same way, put in the work and take care of who they're on. You understand me I say? Peeps, you don't know a thing set up, you know. My God. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.